Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump fuse, the inertia switch, and the relay are located for the fuel system. So under the box here inside the engine bay, there's a 20 amp fuse at the very top corner. So that's the fuel pump fuse. And then when you come around to the back, you have to kind of get in behind the carpet here. So you'll undo this little wing nut here. And when you pull the carpet back, you'll find the inertia switch. So this will pop if the car thinks that it's got an accident, if it feels a force. So you want to make sure that that red button is pushed down. Now as for the actual fuel relay, it's located in the passenger side fender in the CCRM, or Constant Control Relay Module. And so I have another video of showing this a little bit more, but you have to basically take off the fender lining. You don't need to take the fender off. I just had the fender off in this case to show you kind of where it is. But inside the Constant Control Relay Module are the other relays. You'll see the fuel one there at the top. And these ones, I understand, are soldered in, so they're not as easily replaceable. Now, I also have videos on replacing the fuel pump and fuel filter, and another video also showing some other things to look for if your car's not starting, which also includes the fuel rail pressure sensor and some other things. So if you want to check the video description, I'll put links to those videos there. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.